It's lesson 6, 7.
Graph linear inequalities in two variables.
It's probably going to be really easy for you.
No, I already saw.
Is this going to be easy?
This is Drew's most exciting lesson all year.
Is it going to be easy though?
If you know how to graph a line, it's easy.
I don't.
Yes.
Wait, what?
Well, then we're going to get real good at it.
You already could see by my
I don't
quiz
think-
that I didn't know how to do the parentheses. I didn't know how to do the equations. I don't know how to do it.
How are you in algebra?
Miss Stacy.
Because
I don't
coach
think
liked me and
Addison's
put me in this
tutoring
class.
Taylor anymore because yesterday and today at class she was being really mean to Addison, so I think Addison just gave up on him.
Oh yeah.
He was
All right.
calling her
Sean's
stupid.
head's in the way. That was this again.
A solution of an inequality
Sean, how was your head in the way?
in two variables
He's sitting all the way back here.
is an XY
Thank you.
ordered pair. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everybody's complaining about me.
Cause he was like, moving every 20 seconds.
Yeah, I have Tourette's.
Clearly.
You have to rest.
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
All right. Graphing
Stop pushing the desk. I would never. You are.
inequalities. Bless you. Step 1.
She said.
Graph the boundary line. So I'm just going to say graph the line. Use a dotted line
I'll let yours show
for less than or greater than.
Holy.
Use a solid line for less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Yes.
I have a question for the game on Saturday. Can I take my ears? Like, so I don't have to take them out?
Can you take your ears?
Depends on the ref.
The ref yelled at me. I told him he can pay $80 to get them re-pierced if he wanted. And then I'll take them out. He didn't like that.
How would they close up if you take
Because
them
I
out?
just got them literally re-pierced.
Cat, bro.
Step 2.
So close up in a matter of an hour?
Yes. It will.
They make clear inserts you can put in them. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Stacy did that.
It basically looks like a pair of clear earrings, but they're just like they're plastic. All right.
They won't hurt you?
No.
Maybe I should get some of that.
Test a point not on the boundary line, so not on the line, by checking whether the ordered pair. Y'all hear that beeping too, right?
Yeah, I swear it was my earring.
I was like, am I going crazy? Whether the ordered pair is a solution of the inequality.
Wait. Is use a dotted line for less than or equal to? Or
No,
less than
just less than or just greater than.
Yeah.
So the way to remember
Is
is a
that a
solid
second?
line goes with the one that's solid underneath.
But is the one under the solid line, is that a whole other sentence?
So like comma.
That's why music career.
And then step 3, shade. So you get to color now.
Yeah.
The half plane, that just means the area of the graph. It doesn't necessarily have to be half the graph. Containing the point that
Okay, I'm spit.
give a solution to the inequality.
You think I got dyslexia?
Can you do my
Do you
shirt
mix
for
things
me
up?
on Snap?
I mean, I just mixed up step. I just
You
put
would-
SPET.
How do you do that? You just add
Addison, you would do that for me? Can you do my shirts for me?
How do you do that? Would you just like log into somebody
Yeah.
else's account?
Just
You
don't
know,
do
I'm not even gonna lie.
I
you
love that
gotta
there's
do it.
another generation of people that are doing that instead of just paying Snapchat to like fix your streaks for you.
Yeah, I just have Addison doing that. She's my tutor. She does my shirts.
Wait, you have
She
Snap?
ain't the tutor anymore.
Yes, but I barely use it.
Wait, can
Right.
I add you?
I don't post anything.
Nobody posts anything on there except Tyson.
I do.
Of course, my dad gave me my
I literally send one snap a day.
You weren't
To
paying me to
who?
begin with. What do you mean?
Are you asking me?
Yeah.
Oh, like 3 people.
Who's the Miss Greer?
No,
Miss
not
Greer
anymore.
got
Well, we
rid of
used to snap, but we don't snap anymore.
She got rid of it.
I would love to see teachers snapping. That'd be great. Did you grade their test yet?
It's more funny to watch our DMs on Instagram where we're like sending each other reels back and forth. That's probably way more entertaining.
Taylor, did you write the name for wearing studs?
Yes,
Wait,
they
were
look
you
good
like
for
a
you.
senior
How was that dangerous?
when
If you,
Miss
like,
Greer
literally
started
do
working here?
something that would-
No, she started working here after me.
The back, it could-
How after?
No, they basically say
Like,
Like a year, maybe 2.
onto this, it could.
Oh.
This is my 7th year, and this is either her 5th or 6th year.
They said, but I
Wait,
was
you
like,
started working here at
either way,
20?
that's my fault.
Do it in the middle of the game.
2019, yeah.
Dude, you young.
Exactly.
All right, we're going to go ahead and do the first problems. Tell whether the ordered pair is a solution of the inequality. So we aren't graphing on these ones. These ones we're just plugging it in.
Why Miss Greer get rid of that?
Because of you.
I literally snap people that don't live here, and that is it.
Wait, do you have the bronze snap?
No.
That's
Like Abigail. Ooh.
I do snap her, yeah.
no?
All right, oh, I guess I should give you the point that we're checking. 8-3.
No, you don't. He did not add you back.
No, he didn't.
All right, we're going to take this point, we're plugging it in for x and y, and we're seeing if it makes a true statement. So 8 minus 3 is less than or equal to 5. Well, 8 minus 3 is 5. Is 5 less than or equal to 5?
Yeah.
So this is a solution.
Is this
So you
seriously
came
all
up
we're
on
doing?
my,
No, we're also graphing, but
Alright, bro. You better not have my
I'm not adding that.
I'll add your dad.
Ooh.
6. 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 14, and the point is 5, 2.
Oh,
Oh.
this is. Oh, this
Oh,
is just.
This is
Oh.
You
this
put
is
the
just,
things
oh.
in there and then.
So that would be 5 times 2
Please tell me
plus
that's all we're
3
doing.
times
No.
2 times 5 plus 3 times 2 is greater than or equal to 14. So that'll be 10 plus 6 is greater than or equal to 14. Then that'll be 16 is greater than or equal to 14. That is true.
So this
It's
is a
true.
solution.
It's true like Drew. I'm so funny.
You sound
Miss
like
Stacy, I know you like get like annoyed every time me. Everybody walks in here. I know you get annoyed.
Hold up. Did we annoy you more than geometry?
No, not even close.
Wait, isn't geometry the one with like all the 10th graders? And Anthony and them.
Anthony came in to take pictures for our Spanish.
And he
class.
did
I took a
nothing.
picture with him.
All right,
I took a picture.
0.5y minus 0.5x is greater than 3.5.
Oh, fifth, you're fourth, fifth. 0.5 times 2 is minus 5 times 6. That's a nice solution.
All right, what's half of 2?
1,
What's half of 6?
3,
1 minus 3,
2,
It's 2.
No solution.
That is not true, so no solution.
This is really easy.
See,
Isn't it
6.7 is
negative
just easy like that.
Isn't it -2?
Oh, cookie! Cookie! Yay! Cookie! How close are we?
We are smart cookies.
Whoa.
Yo, those cookies look are kind of good.
Wait, are we still in the lead? Yep.
Never had
Oh wait, we're about to get the lead from
Oh.
Algebra 2. Ha 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 ha! We have more than Algebra 2. I don't know.
Wait, are there any 11th graders in Algebra 2?
No.
Is there any 12th graders?
Who's in Algebra
10th grade.
2? I thought geometry was.
So
Geometry is 9th and 10th.
what I'm getting is geometry that has 10th graders in there. That's like the sped class, and then the other is like.
No. Okay. All right, graph inequalities. You do not have to have graph paper. If you want graph paper, that's fine. I'm going to put some grid lines up here just so that we can see it, but
No, you're. Whoa.
Wait, why did it go so dark?
because otherwise you can't see the grid lines. All right, graph the inequality. Number 18, y is less than or equal to x minus 2. So what I like to do before I even start actually graphing, okay, they graph the same way that a normal line does, but I like to make little notes for myself on, is it going to be a solid line or a dotted line? And then is it going to be shaded above the line or below the line? Okay, so with this one, it's less than or equal to. So since it's an or equal to, it's going to be a solid line. And then if y is less than, then that means we shade where y is smaller. Well, y goes negative to positive, so it's smaller on the bottom, so it's going to be shaded below. So I'm going to set up my graph.
Make me.
All right, so we graph this just like normal. So the first thing we do is we graph our y-intercept, which is -2. And then my slope is a +1. So remember, it's a number in front of x. It's rise over run. So we're going to go up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, or you can go down 1, back 1, however you want to do it. It is solid, so I can connect them. And then I shade where y is smaller, which is below the line. So I'm shading down here.
Wait, how do you know
Wait.
to shade down there?
If it's a negative, you shade below. If it's positive, you shade above.
No. Y is less than, so we shade below. The other way I can do this, if I'm not sure, is the way that it said in the different steps. I usually do it this way, but the way we can also do it is we can check a point down here. So if I have shaded correctly, then that means that the point 40 should be a solution to this equation. So I'm going to check the point 40. So that means 0 is less than or equal to 4 minus 2. So that's equal to 2. 0 is less than or equal to 2. That's true, so I know I've shaded correctly.
I'm kind of confused.
Where do you get the 4 here?
I just picked a point that was in my shaded area.
Oh.
So 40 would be right here. So that's in my shaded area, so I'm checking that one.
Wait, how did you?
If I checked a point up here, I'm going to see that it does not work, and that means that's not where I shade. So I shade the spots that do work.
Okay, I like zoned out at first, which is probably not a good idea. But I zoned out. And, how did you just plot just random things or
Did
what?
somebody just do the goofy
think it was Leah. What?
You just-
Abby, who did that laugh? Huh? Who screamed like that? Probably Finn.
It probably was Finn.
So like, did you just
You just right
put
there.
random things on there? Like, did you just?
What?
I'm kind of confused because the
Why?
thing really says y is less than or equal to x minus 2. Then it says solid and shape below.
Right. My line is going to be a solid line, and I shaded it below.
Is it
Let's do
zero?
another one, and we'll see where we're at. Let's just do
Alright,
that.
I'm sorry.
No, it's not.
No, we're good. I feel like if we just stick on this one problem, we're just going to get confused. So let's just see another one. 20. Y is greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 8.
So this time the shading's gonna be on top of the line.
So it's still an or equal to, so it's still going to be solid. So if there's a line underneath, it's solid. It's an easy way to remember it.
Okay.
Y is greater than, that means that's where Y is bigger than the line, so that means we're going to shade above. Okay, and that stuff is all in reference to when I graph my line, what it looks like.
Why are you bouncing?
I'm sitting still.
All right, so I have a y-intercept of positive 8, so I'm going to put that point up here. I have a slope of negative 2. That means I go down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. Now, my line is solid, so I'm going to connect them. It'll probably make more sense when I show you what one that's not solid looks like.
The slope of negative 2.
Now, this one's kind of hard because this line looks, I mean, obviously it's not perfectly straight up and down, but it's a little harder to see. But I'm looking at where my y values are bigger. Well, the y values are bigger up here, okay? So that means I'm shading on this side of my line. This is where you get to color in math class. All right, so I'm going to check a point in here and see if I am right. So if I'm right, then we're going to say this point right here should be a solution to my equation. So that would be 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 6 should be a solution to this equation if I have shaded it correctly. So I'm going to plug it in and check. So 6 is greater than or equal to negative 2 times 3 plus 8. Negative 2 times 3 is what?
Negative 6, 7,
Negative 6 plus 8 is? So 6 is greater than or equal to 2. Is that accurate? So I know I've shaded correctly.
Taylor's hat looks like it's the sun
Wait.
again. Wait,
So you go up 8.
red dot in the middle?
I just stuck the red dot anywhere in the part where I colored in yellow.
Oh.
Do that, Addison.
I could have chosen Drew's favorite point in the whole planet. And that also would have worked.
The back's a little
I don't want to talk about that.
The back looks like
So you
a
just,
little rat.
you put,
That's cute.
so you
I was
do
looking
8
for something.
and then you go over and then down 2.
Down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. Always go up and down first, and then go right and left.
Stop, I'm not getting that.
Oh.
Hey, cute.
I can't move my
You
head.
look like somebody from Bluesville.
22.
Wait, do we have to check it?
You don't have to. I would probably recommend while y'all are getting used to it that you do, but you don't have to. But there's no reason to shade it wrong because you can check a point and make sure that it works. If the point doesn't work, then you know you shaded it on the wrong side. X minus y is less than or equal to negative 11. All right, so we have to get y by itself before I can do anything. So I'm going to subtract x. So I've got negative y is less than or equal to negative x minus 11. Now I need to divide by the negative. What happens when I divide by a negative across an inequality?
You have to
Flip it.
switch it.
We have to flip it. That still applies to these. So y is greater than or equal to x plus 11. So this is why I would not decide before you've gotten y by itself if it's going to be, you can decide solid or dotted. That doesn't change. But you can't decide which way it's shading until y is by itself.
Solid, and it's also regular. Or wait, yeah, it's solid, and then just try it. It's not dotted.
Wow, you're so funny, Drew.
Oh wait, that's the same.
Is it shaded above or below?
Oh wait.
You got
Where's y bigger?
It's above.
above.
Y is bigger above, so it shades above.
Yeah. Stop.
So basically, if it's facing
I
Y,
just
then
don't
it's above, and
comprehend
if it's
split.
If the mouth is open toward y, it's above. If the mouth is open away from y, then it's down. All right, so this one has a y-intercept of 11.
I never said that.
Now, obviously, I'm counting by ones. I would probably normally count by twos on a problem like this, but just whatever. All right, this has a slope of positive 1, so I either can go up 1, right 1, or I can go down 1, back 1. It's solid, so it connects through. And I shade above. I'll show you what one looks like in a second, of one that's not solid.
Apple iPad to school and then do this stuff and then send it to you with that.
You still have to print it and turn it in.
Can I bring it to school and do it though? Oh,
As long as your parents don't care, I don't care.
Oh,
bring what?
I have lots of kids do it.
I can just use like Procreate and do it.
However you,
I'm gonna do that.
as long as you're not using it for things that you're not supposed to be doing, I don't care.
Is that Tyler?
Tyra!
All right, I'm not going to check this point because we've been checking several of them. Actually, yes, I am, because we're going to check it into the original. So I'm going to check the point. If I've shaded correctly, the point 11, the point 011 was on this. So the point 012 should be a solution to this equation. So if I want to check it, 0 minus 12 is less than or equal to negative 11. Is negative 12 less than or equal to negative 11?
Listen.
The answer is yes or no.
No. Yeah.
Yes.
Negative 12 is less than or equal to negative 11, so I know I shaded correctly.
Well, I still kind of answered it.
26. Y minus 4 is less than x minus 6. How do I get y by itself?
You're going to subtract 4 or add 4.
Add 4. Y is less than x minus 2.
And then you're on graph.
Is this going to be solid or dotted?
Dotted.
Dotted. Make sure we stay focused. We haven't had one like this yet. And which way do I shade this one?
To the below.
Below. It's where y is smaller. Set up my graph. Alright, this y-intercept is negative 2. That means it's down here. Slope of 1, up 1, right 1. Or I could go down 1, back 1. Now, this is dotted, so you do not connect the lines. You quite literally dot the line like that.
Shade below.
And then we shade below it.
Do we have to do a highlighter with this?
No, you can use a pencil. But if you want to color, you can. Now, this is what I'm going to tell you. If you shade it, and then you decide to check your point after that, and you realize, oh no, I shaded in the wrong spot, put a note, and do something like this. No, don't actually write this, but just show something like this and make a note like shading should be here instead. Okay, like make a note so that I can tell where it should be. Now, this one is shaded correctly, but if something like that happens. The other thing that sometimes happens is we accidentally make, now, if you're using a pencil, it shouldn't really be that big of a deal, but you accidentally make this line solid and it was supposed to be dotted. Put a little arrow here and say dotted. Okay?
So I could just draw a straight line and say dot.
You should not be doing that on every single one.
Oh, okay.
I'm saying if you get to one and you like forget, what are you doing?
I don't know. You've been doing this for
Chillax.
He needs some melatonin.
a whole week. Hold that.
That's what my mom gives me.
That helps you go to sleep.
I need this.
30.
The beep keeps happening again.
X is greater than or equal to 5.
Oh, wait, can I do this one?
Yeah, you got this, Taylor.
Wait, I actually. Okay, wait. So, it's a solid line, and if it's negative, it's below, right? Or
No.
wait,
It's based on which way the mouth is facing.
and it's above. It's above.
It's below.
No, wait, yeah, it's no. Yeah.
What variable is
It's
in this?
It's an X.
What variable are we normally looking at?
Why?
Okay, so if it's X instead, then I'm either shading right or left.
Right.
So this one's going to be right because that's where X is bigger on the right. So I'm going to actually be shading on the right side of this
And
one.
it's a solid line.
Yep.
And wait, I know how to do this. So you put it right there. You put it yeah, right there.
Right
No, on the 5, yeah. And then you put it across. Yeah. Put it up.
Put it up.
Put it up. Yeah. And then you shade the right. Oh my gosh, I did one by myself. The first
my
problem I've done this year.
Oh, you want to know what my GPA is?
Not right now.
2.67.
It's 6-7.
This is the first one I've done this year.
32. Y is less than or equal to 4.
So this is gonna be a straight line. It's gonna be to the below.
A straight line. All lines are straight.
A solid line.
A solid line.
No, they have squiggly lines.
And
they,
left.
ask Miss Dutch.
By definition, lines are straight.
It's left.
It's down. Under.
Ask Miss
All right, this
Dutch
is
about
Y, not X, so it's either above or below.
Under.
Below. All right, where do I put this one?
Oh, so you're gonna go up 4
And make
on
it
the Y line,
horizontal.
and then you're gonna make it side to side, and then it's gonna go below, and you use the purple highlighter. No, purple.
I'm the smartest kid in the class. I know
Purple. Purple. Yay, purple.
Right out of
Nobody here gets tutored at lunch.
Well,
I
I get tutored so I can be the smart.
All right, how are we feeling about this?
Really good. Super easy.
Yeah.
Good.
I feel alright.
Right, Abby?
Can we do one
I
more?
get tutored so I can
No, Sean,
so I can remain the smartest.
Bad boy,
That's
Sean.
not nice, Drew.
34.
My hair's calling out.
X minus 4 is less than or equal to negative 2 times Y plus 6. All right, I want on your own for you to get Y by itself. So start with getting Y by itself. Don't graph anything till we go over if you have the line correct.
Oh my gosh, I cannot do that. Thank you, Drew. I appreciate it.
Wait, does Y have to be on the left side?
Or you'll shade it the wrong way.
Is there a way you can just, but when you get it by itself, can you just change it?
Yeah, once it's by itself, basically just mirror it over.
I do not appreciate that.
Appreciate what?
None of your business, Taylor.
You're saying stuff out loud.
I can say as much stuff as I want to
Okay, Kim, bro. Can y'all
No.
All right, once you get your line, just below it, write if it's solid or dotted, and write which way it would be shaded.
I'm not done yet.
I know, I'm just saying, when you are done, do that. But do not graph it until you know that you have the right line. Because I have a feeling there might be an issue on this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, you're gonna wait.
I did it. It's
Wait, do I say what the line is? and everything?
Do we all have an equation where y is by itself?
yes.
No. Not yet. I'm not.
Oh, well, then how are you going to tell me the answer if you don't have y by itself?
Well, I do have it by itself.
She just asked that
Oh,
question and you
Do you
said
want to know mine?
Sure.
Y is greater than or equal to x minus 4.
Do we agree with them?
no. Y is less than or equal to 2x minus 4.
Do we agree with him?
No.
All right, somebody else.
Y is greater than or equal to negative 1/2 x minus 4.
Do we agree with her?
She's smart, so yes.
No,
Like-
I got you.
I agree with that.
Y is less than or equal to x over 2
It's not.
minus 4.
Do we agree with that?
Y is less than or equal to negative 1/2x plus 6.
Do we agree with him?
Yes, because he's smart.
All right, Abby, what you got? You keep saying no, so what do you have?
I got y is greater than or equal to x plus 4.
Do we agree with her?
I don't think so.
Can we just get your
Taylor, what'd you get?
answer? I will agree with your
I
answer.
was trying to wait until the
I got news for you. Nobody's right so far, so it won't matter if you're right or wrong.
No, I didn't finish it
Da,
because
da, 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 da. Let her talk.
I didn't finish it because I knew I was gonna mess up on this part, so there was no point of reading.
Well, tell me where you got to.
I got to subtracting 11 from 4.
11.
Here, how about this?
Or 12.
How about this?
All right, Sean, what'd you get?
I got negative 2.
Not you, Sean. The other Sean. You already gave your answer.
Y is less than or equal to negative 1/2 x minus 4.
There we go.
I
Bingo.
didn't say that, bro. I just figured out that the x was being negative.
What?
All right, this
Oh.
one is solid and below, but considering we had it wrong, we probably didn't have that right either. All right, so I
got
distributed first. So I got x minus 4 is less than or equal to negative 2y minus 12. Add 12 over. So then I have x plus 8 is less than or equal to negative 2y. Divide by negative 2. So I get x plus 8, or sorry, obviously x plus 8 over negative 2. Negative 1/2 x minus 4 is greater than or equal to y, but I need to flip the whole thing over. Okay, notice when I divided by the negative, I swapped my inequality, but I need y on the left, so I flipped the entire thing over, and so it's y is less than or equal to negative 1/2 x minus 4. It is solid, and it will be shaded
I got
below.
solid and above.
Well, it's below.
I got
Okay, so I know
All right, now, using this information, I want you to try to graph it yourself now.
I can do that.
Let's see if
Taylor can do that.
Taylor can do that.
That would be cute.
Sean. Talk. I don't know.
I cannot do that.
Good.
What is that?
It's from this box.
Oh, Lord.
Someone's ankle monitor.
Yeah, that's mine. my
Taylor,
bad.
that's yours, bro.
That's mine.
That's
so-
mine.
Who is that?
Wait, can I go in there with you?
I'm not going anywhere.
Can we go in there?
Other than right here, I'm not going anywhere.
Can we go in there together?
I want to grab it. I want to grab it. be a good boy.
Whoa.
Sit down. Oh. I didn't say you could do it.
You don't say that to a teacher.
I might call on someone.
You're rude. So cool.
Who do I want to pick on today?
Do you believe in me?
Hmm.
Yeah, what's wrong?
Make Sean that one.
He got the equation right. Why would I make him do the graph?
Do Taylor.
Yeah, do Taylor.
Yeah, let Taylor do it.
Let Taylor
She's a
have
pro at this.
Yeah, let's
No,
see it,
I'm
Taylor.
not.
Let's see it, Taylor.
Come on.
Yay!
No! Please finish my hair. It's so freaking.
Come on. We got 1 minute. Let's go.
Go, Taylor, go. Taylor,
Oh
come
my
on.
gosh.
You're fine, Taylor.
Taylor.
Chop, chop. Let's
I
go.
have no shoes on.
I don't care.
You.
And in case you're worried, you do not have homework tonight. You're going to have all class tomorrow to do it.
Yay! Best teacher ever.
Right, two.
That's what I put.
Nope, down.
Oh,
Down one, right two. Down one.
That's what I put.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, Sean, stop making such like.
Connect the dots.
Wait, okay, but what are the questions on Yeah.
Close enough. Check and make sure you're right. The bell didn't ring yet. Sit down. Yes.
Hey! You
All right,
forgot something.
shade it. Shade it.
Shade it. Shade it.
Just do some squiggles.
It was stupid.
Beautiful. All right, any questions on this?
Can I get extra credit on the quiz?
No.
No.
All right. You need to write these questions down.
I forgot. I just threw away my pencil.
3, 5, 7, 17. Do not go anywhere till you write these down. 19,
3, 5, what?
21. Oh,
Are you not gonna be here or something?
tomorrow?
Yeah.
No, we have a long weekend, so I'm trying to not make you have homework this weekend.
Oh, thank you.
What do we have on?
And, whoa,
A long weekend because of
27, because it's just the pin that I had
Martin Luther
selected.
King. I thought he died.
Wait, we have Monday off?